How to hire a furnace contractor in Hamilton, Ontario. Would you like your furnace to be repaired or replaced, and are you unsure about how to hire a furnace company in Hamilton, Ontario? Read on and learn some tips that you should use to select the best furnace repairman. Ask for referrals and references. Talk to your colleagues, friends, and neighbors. Ask them to recommend a furnace repair service that has served them well. You should also ask the contractors competing for your business for references. Call those references and ask as many questions as you can so that you narrow down the list of options to only reputable furnace contractors. Check online reviews. It is also helpful to check the online furnace contractor reviews before you make a final decision about the contractor to hire. Those reviews will give you extra information about the professionalism, rates, responsiveness, and other pertinent issues related to the way the contractor does his or her work. Insist on site visits. Another way to hire a furnace contractor is by considering only those who are willing to visit your home and inspect it before giving you an estimate for the repairs or work that needs to be done. Site visits are vital because no two homes or furnaces are identical. A site visit establishes the unique factors impacting the work required. The furnace company in Hamilton can then provide an accurate estimate of what needs to be done and the cost for that work. Compare bids. How can you be sure that the furnace contractor that you want to hire has given you a competitive bid? Get at least 3 bids from different contractors and compare them before selecting the bid which is competitive. Only consider the price after assessing the technical aspects of the work. Otherwise, you could end up selecting an inexperienced contractor or one who will take shortcuts in order to finish the work with a net low bid. Get a written contract. Make sure that any HVAC contractor that you want to hire provides a written contract spelling out the scope of work, the timelines within which that work should be done, the materials to be used, when and how payments will be made. Desist from hiring any furnace repair professional in Hamilton who doesn't provide a written contract, since misunderstandings may arise regarding the execution of the work. Check their credentials. It is a big risk to hire furnace contractors without confirming that they are licensed to work in your area. Unlicensed contractors are a liability because you may have no recourse in case things don't go as planned. It is also wise to confirm that the contractor is insured and bonded before doing any work on your furnace. Willingness to procure the best products. Some furnace contractors may only be interested in promoting particular brands of heating system. Such contractors may not be right for you, since they are unlikely to give unbiased recommendations when purchasing decisions have to be made. Screen potential contractors for any possible conflicts of interest so that you select a contractor who will be objective when recommending the products that you should buy. Don't be casual when hiring a furnace contractor. Use the factors above during the selection process. The time that you invest in that process will yield a competent company, such as Furnace Repair Hamilton, which will offer you outstanding service. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.